We divide 688 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 8 and it is 18. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting, we get 3. So again we put down this 8 and it is 38. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 688 divided by 5 is 137.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.